Hi, my name's Caleb. I'm 27 years old. I'm from Vancouver, British Columbia. And about 8 years ago, I had a hockey accident where I had my front two teeth shattered. That's a pretty common thing for hockey players to go through, but it is pretty nasty. I had root canals done and crowns implanted back then, and I kind of hoped that that would be the end of it. Then later on, I also had some wisdom teeth removed, as most people do. I was referred to Swiss Biohealth through my mother, who had her root canals taken out and bone grafting done due to her root canals also being infected. So I decided to get these done. It turns out I did have infection up where the root canals were performed. Although they were good root canals, I had overpressed filling and there was infection present. And then the cavitations where the wisdom teeth used to be, those were also infected. So I had a bunch of symptoms, including lethargy and hip and knee pain as a result of the front two crowns. So various other little symptoms as well. And those are just things that this was going to address. So I had my procedure done on a Monday. Today is a Thursday. The surgery itself only took a couple hours, probably 40 minutes or so for the previous teeth being removed and the crowns being implanted, and then another hour or so for the cavitations to be filled. It was something that I was conscious for the whole time. Dr. Moritz walked me through the procedure as he was performing it on me, which I thought was great. So you know what to expect, you know what's going on. There's no noises that happen that surprise you because he tells you they're about to happen, and didn't really feel a thing. And then actually had these temporary teeth that you see here installed a couple hours later. And the temporary teeth and how they looked was a big thing for me because I have a couple weddings I need to attend to this summer, and you just don't want your temporary teeth to look too different from what you had in your mouth before. And they did a fantastic job. They are able to match the translucency of real teeth to a certain degree, and I'm very happy with the results, even just for temporary teeth, not even the final crowns. So then as far as recovery goes, been doing cryo, hyperbaric chamber, there's foot bath detox, there's a cooling face mask, there is a few other things that no doubt I'm missing, and been doing them all to help with the recovery. And 3 days post-op, pretty much minimal swelling. And overall, visually, it's hard to say that I went through a fairly major operation only a few days ago. One cool thing that really helped with recovery is that for these front two crowns, it's a very difficult procedure, and actually something that wasn't offered at any of the dental offices in Vancouver. And Dr. Moritz was able to take my old teeth out, because I still had broken teeth in there with crowns on them, and he was able to implant the new ones and not have to use any sutures. So it was, there was minimal blood, and this is going to be a very straightforward healing process with no sutures. And then for the cavitations, I had 4 of them, one where you would find each wisdom tooth, and those only needed 1 suture each, and they dissolve after a few weeks, so no follow-up needed there.